welcome back guys to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys is one of my vlogmas day for me. I think this is day number 4, I think so. So for me today guys, I have some Mrs. Claus outfit that I want to try on. If you show Papa Harry, if he tell me how sexy me look or how bad me shape in a them guys. So that am I like a blogging with me I gonna do right now. So I'm gonna call up Papa Harry, if him come relax, and I'm gonna go change into my first outfit and make you guys see how it look. Okay, and then you guys can comment below too and tell me if you don't think me look sexy in a them Miss Claus outfit here. So guys, before me go any further, don't forget like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when Mama Joan posts. You know, lad, me I tell you, so you see now Christmas is one of my joyful time. The whole of the rest of the year is joyful time, but I just love Christmas because it's Christmas now. I have my family, like everybody get together, and this Christmas gonna be a very, very special Christmas for me because my sister, I'm gonna spend Christmas with for much years. She's coming to spend Christmas with me this year. So this year Christmas gonna be very, very nice, enjoyable. It probably be one of my best in a long time. You understand me? So anyway guys, before me day I chat off on the head and go too far in this video, I'm gonna get Papa Harry and go get myself ready like a Freddy. Ready or not, here I come. So this is Mrs. Claus. What do you think? Look on it. You know guys, everybody can see it. Tell me what you think. What do you think?
You want my honest opinion? What's up?
I want your honest opinion. And tell me how it look. If me look sexy or me look like a granny. Which one of them?
I got a bad feeling about this.
More show up on me, you know.
What?
Granny.
Oh! What is a Mrs. Claus outfit is?
Mrs. Claus, yeah, that look. It's like Mrs. Claus, but me I say Mrs. Claus. Look how old Mrs. Claus is.
Yeah, Mrs. Claus is a 100-year. Well, you can't even, she can't even put a age on her.
Okay, so you look like a 100-year-old granny. What do you think?
Well,
too old?
Still, I like the bonnet. I look on the bonnet and it make me really feel nice.
No, it look good enough because you have it on, but at the same time, overall, when I look on it and I see Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, you know Mrs. Claus, a long time them live out.
Okay.
So this look original, like a real Mrs. Claus, just that, you know, it's not sexy and you know, but it look good.
Okay, guys. So on a scale of 1 to 10, which one is the highest number? Where did I get this?
If one of the highest?
Yes. One is the highest number.
Make it a 7.
7?
Just look, Santa look.
So guys, this is costume number 1. Okay, so now me I gonna put on costume number 2. Okay. Alright.
One uncle.
Here I come, ready or not. This is costume number 2.
This look little better on this. Lord,
it feels sexy.
That look good, honey, that look good.
Ooh.
What is elf people, eh?
This is sexy elf.
What?
What do you think?
This look like sexy elf, honey. I like this. This brighten up my Christmas.
Yes.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yes, this look good, honey. Can work with this.
Can work with that one, yeah?
Yes, we can work with this. The first one was the ancient Santa Claus. These are the modernized elf. Look good.
This one look nice.
This one looks
So on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give you 3.
Give me a 3 for this one?
3 for that one.
Okay,
yes.
guys. See? Papa Harry give me a 3 for this one. And a scale to 1 to 10. 3 more him give me for me sexy health. Where is it? Okay, so guys, time for costume number 3. Okay.
I like this.
Okay, Papa Harry, ready or not? Here I come. This one now is costume number 3. So I feel very sexy in this.
Look it on you. Look
See?
it if you feel it. You deserve
Yes.
it.
Guys, look at it. Comment below, like, subscribe. You know, hit my post notification bell. So no don't miss a post. I'm a post, guys. Me I tell them I like this is class. This one looks sweet. This one make me feel like, huh? You know what I'm saying?
Like I'm married to you.
Yeah, can I married to me again? Guys, you hear that Papa Harry said mother married to me again. Wow.
As Mrs.
Yeah.
Claus.
See this?
Changing
I
name,
love
everything
this.
on it. Yes.
This is nice. This
It's
just
nice. This
it
is
just
nice.
feel nice on my body.
Look good on it.
Look good? What? Me I
This is
tell
how when Miss
you.
Claus young. The first one I went to get old, then I went to young. Now prime.
Wow.
Yes.
So on a scale of 1 to 10. We are
It's a
give this
10
one.
of the highest. One of
One
the
eyes.
highest.
Yes, we are give this one.
Yeah, 2 pounds this, you know.
Yeah, give me a 2.
Yes, so the
Guys,
guy
as you see,
target.
Papa Harry give me a 2. For me, I think it's a 1. So guys, remember, comment below and let me know if you don't think it's a 1 or a 2. But for me, me feel this is, I feel like a 1 right now with this. You
Like
know?
the one still on the boat.
Yeah. But him says a 2, so me work with that. So
Not far from the
okay,
ones.
so me gonna put on another one. And guys, no don't come talk about look at Mama Joan shape and her back broad. No don't tell me that because I don't know say me have broad back already. Okay, guys.
You can't change this stuff.
Because that cannot change. Okay, so I'll be back with costume number
I see the
4.
band like them to one of my favorite. What? Yeah.
Papa Harry, here we come again. This one make me feel so luscious. Look on this one, guys. This one just nice. You know, guys, wanna think.
This one look like.
For me, this one is a 1 plus.
Yes.
Not just a 1. It have to get a plus to go with it. But look on the
Yes,
the
funny.
thing. Look how this one. Look how
Yes,
this one
funny.
sexy. What do you think?
I just said.
I love this one. This one is nice.
Yeah,
I like the flow.
Yes, this
You
one
know,
look,
I
look
like
on
this
it.
flow.
This one look like.
And this
Santa
one
Claus
is
wife.
Miss Sexy Santa Claus.
Oh, this is sexy Santa
Yes.
when she young.
Yes.
Okay.
I love this one. This one is so
Okay.
nice.
Yes,
This one just
look
flow,
like to the
flow
Santa
nicely. Gas
young girl,
spin.
Lord.
You see it, look?
Yes, this look good.
I like this. I like this
look
one.
good,
This
this
one
look
is
good.
this one is
This
sweet
look
and it feel good. And I like how it shape on my body, guys.
This one,
You
suck
know.
and just
So guys, comment below and tell me what you think. For me, this is a plus 1.
plus
You know.
one. I'll give you a minus 1. Yes, minus 1 me I give.
Maybe a minus 1.
This one is the highest, but this better than the one.
So it cannot be minus, stuff to be plus.
No, it cannot be plus.
Can it be plus?
No, that would be going towards 2. But no.
Okay,
I'm going to
okay,
go.
I understand. Okay,
So I'll give you a minus
okay.
one
So,
for this one.
okay, so him give me a minus 1, so
Yes.
me give it a minus 2.
Minus 1. This one look good on it. This one look like
nice.
the Christmas.
This look like
Christmas
Christmas.
there, this
So
one
this is
was
what I'm
here.
saying we wear for
Oh,
Christmas
it's
there.
obviously
So
yes,
guys, listen,
yes,
Papa Harry
yes.
make him choice.
Yes,
Him
that
say
one
Christmas
was
there.
in a Christmas.
This is the one where him want to see. I mean, Lord. I love this. I love this one. I love this one. This one is
This one
nice.
look good.
This one just let me
This one
feel
make
so
me
good.
Christmas already.
Make
Make sure we
Christmas?
see you in a Christmas morning and this you come downstairs today.
So Christmas morning breakfast, guys. This is where Papa Harrison want to
Yes,
see me now.
yes,
Mrs. Claus.
Yes, this look
So
good.
anyway, guys,
This look good.
this is my last outfit. So it was just 4. Yes, this is the last outfit. There's no more.
No,
So this is the last outfit, guys.
just enjoy the
So-
battling on it.
Papa Harry was enjoying me modeling the clothes them for him. So like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And this is my another blog video because me at the blogness with the rest of young people then. Alright guys, so I will see you
Younger than the young
tomorrow.
people, honey.
Bye!
Yeah, honey, you look younger than the young people.
So you hear that, guy? We can't even go change because Papa Harry still depend the thing. Okay. So anyway, bye again, guys, and we see you in the next video.